Hello students, welcome to my club and let's learn the poem Dust of Snow by Robert Frost. About the poet, Robert Lee Frost was an American poet. His works were first published in England before it was published in America. He was well known for his realistic depictions of the rural life, and most of his poems have the rural life settings. And he was honored 4 Pulitzer Prizes for his poetry. Let's start with the first stanza. The way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. The poem was set in a scene where the poet is in a very sad mood or in a depressive mood, and he was standing under a hemlock tree. While he was standing under the tree, a crow came there and sat on the branch. As it fluttered, the dust particles of the snow, which is on the branch, the snowflakes, fell on the poet. Here, in this stanza, the two factors of nature, that is, the crow and the poisonous hemlock tree, signifies the sadness and the depression, just like the poet's mood. I hope it's clear. Let's move to the second stanza. So now to the second stanza. Has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of a day I had ruined. So we know that the poet was very unhappy and was having a terrible day for some unknown reasons. So now he says, has given my heart a change of mood. So what has changed his mind? The fallen snowflakes. The snowflakes which fell on him uplifted or boosted his mind instantly. This small action made him realize and say, some part of a day I had ruined. In the sense, this small action has changed his mood completely and made him realize that he had wasted the part of a day being sad and depressed. Then he felt like he has to utilize the rest of the day properly. The meaning of ruined is regret. So now here he also felt very happy that this crow and snowflakes had wiped off his depressive mood and saved his day. So in this poem, the crow and the poisonous hemlock tree is generally a representation of negative references. But here the poet beautifully portrayed that even inauspicious factors of the nature can also bring in significant changes in human mind. So now let's see the literary devices of the poem. The way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. So here the word crow and snow rhymes here, and the word me rhymes with tree. So here the rhyme scheme is A B A B. So next stanza has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of a day I had ruined. So here heart rhymes with part, mood rhymes with ruin. So here C D C D. So the rhyme scheme of the poem is A B A B C D C D. So next comes alliteration. So alliteration is nothing but the occurrence of the same letter or the sounds in the at the beginning of the adjacent words. So here we have has given my heart. So H sound is repeated. And next and saved some part. So S sound is repeated. So these sentences have alliteration. So now let's see the theme and the short summary of the poem. This short poem by Robert Frost portrays the healing power of nature. Though the crow and the hemlock tree depicts the darker side of the life, it helps the poet to change his mood and saves his day from being wasted in regret. So, even the insignificant or the tiny things of nature has the power to heal a human mind. I hope it's easy and clear for you. Um, Subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you, students. If you have any queries or doubts, you can write in the comment section. I'll clarify your doubts. Thank you, students.